back again for another video. If it's your first time stopping by, make sure you hit subscribe. And if you're returning back, thank you so much. You already know. So y'all, have another wig review, and this is wig that I'm wearing right now. So if y'all want to know all about this wig was sent to me from a company called ReadyWig. So shout out to ReadyWig for sending me this unit to review. Obviously, I already took the wig out the box and threw her on my head. It did come with a lace, so this is a lace front wig. The lace was really soft, y'all, so that's always a plus to me. And it do come with 2 clips at the top, and it got 1 at the bottom. It also comes with the adjustable strap. So when you get the wig, this is what the box is going to look like. I think the box design is very pretty. And then you're going to get 2 wig caps, which I have 1 on my head already. And then you're going to get this hair care card, pretty much telling y'all how to take care of the wig and, you know, what to do with the wig and everything like that. And on the back, it got all their social medias right there, which will be in my description box below. It also comes with this cute little bottle. I'm guessing it's for like water, or maybe like a leave-in conditioner you can use for it, or whatever you need to kind of be on the go, you know, with the wig. So I thought that was pretty cute. So as far as the specs of the wig, y'all, it's long. She is a long one. I want to say she's about 28 inches long, 22 to 28, somewhere in there. She's coming like right in here. And I'm really loving the curl, y'all. The color is really pretty. I thought about putting some baby hairs, which would be cute, but like I said, I'm taking a break from the baby hair. I kind of just want to wear the wigs for a while without the baby hair to see how it fit me, because I'm always doing baby hair. So, but I'm really liking the face frame right in here. As y'all can see, it just kind of flips and it curls. I can definitely tell though, after a while, this will get tangly at the end. One thing I'm not liking about it is the shine to it, but you can always put like a dry shampoo or, you know, something like that in it. But other than that, like, the color is really subtle. It's not too much. I'm really feeling the color. It's really pretty. Shedding, I'm getting just a little bit of shedding, y'all, but it's not a lot at all. So far I'm feeling the wig. You know, this is my first time trying out this company, and I have to say that, yeah, I like this wig. As far as the hairline, y'all, if y'all can see up close, the hairline is really nice. Like, it's so smooth, it's so soft. A preference if y'all want to go ahead and put the baby hairs and stuff in there, y'all. Y'all don't have to, but I just chose not to this time around. But you can also flip it each and every way. But I definitely wouldn't put heat to this hair as far as heat go, because this is 100% synthetic. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. If you're interested in purchasing this unit, I do have a coupon code for 8% off, which is Asia, and I'll leave it down here somewhere. The original price is $44.95, so I'll leave everything in my description box, y'all. And yeah, comment down below on what y'all think of this wig. Like I said, I do like this wig, but you definitely want to be careful not to like mess with it too much, because it will start to tangle just because the curls and it's so long and it's synthetic. Okay, shout out to ReadyWig for sending me this one to review, and like always, I'll see you in my next video.